going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is just going to be a short little video here. We're going to be taking the RSX out to do a little pool, just to kind of get some data log information, see where everything's sitting at. And I'm using my new DJI ACTION 3 cam I just got, and it is super nice. It has a very nice stabilization. I'm actually tilting the camera quite a bit, and it's not going too crazy all over the place, so the stabilization's really nice. And I just want to kind of see how it does with the vibrations and stuff. It's similar to a GoPro, but it actually seems a little bit better to me, in my personal opinion. But I'm going to go ahead and get this thing data logging, and we'll take it for a spin. I hope you enjoy this video. Go ahead and let it warm up just a little bit, and then check over the data log, make sure everything looks good, and we'll do a pull. All right, so that pull's really good. I do need to richen it up just a little bit, but we'll be going to the dyno Monday or Tuesday, depends. Yeah, definitely pulling pretty good for being on the supercharged tune. But that tune was dialed in for boost. This is just a little bit different type of boost, but so far so good. All right, it's data logging, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another little pull and see what it says. Definitely pulls hard. I cannot wait to see what this thing does after Eric dials it all in. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. I'm just going to do one last little pull so you guys can hear it again, and we'll have more video coming out soon. Man, this thing pulls hard, and I was barely even giving it much. So definitely want to stay tuned. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, and feel free to browse all the other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.